determine if the series converges or diverges. If it converges, determine its sum. So we have a series given. Now let's find the nth partial sum. Okay, so nth partial sum, yes, n, that is the sum of first n terms. So the first term would be, plug in n equals 3, because this sum starts from n equals 3, so plug in 3. We get 1 over 3 minus 1 over 5. So I'm going to write these terms first here, and then these are all negatives, and I'm going to write in the second. So n equals 3 gives us the first term, so 1/3 minus 1 over 3 plus 2, 5. Okay, the very first term is 1/3 minus 1/5. I'm writing negative part over there. Now next, when n equals 4, we get 1 over 4 minus 1 over 4 plus 2, 6. So 1 over 4 minus 1 over 6. So this is negative outside, so 1 over 6. And so on. Then third, 1/5 minus, but minus is factor out, so plus 1/7. 1/5, 1/6, 1/7, all the way to, we are going up to n. So when we plug in uppercase n, so we get 1 over n, 1 over n here, minus, and in this case all the way to uppercase n, so 1 over n plus 2. And in fact, you can rewrite the previous term as well if you are interested. That would be 1 over 1 less, so this would be 1 n plus 1. If you are interested in writing the previous, that helps, 1 over n, because n plus 2, n plus 1, 1 less, 7, 6, 5. Okay, and there is a negative sign in the middle, so let me write over here. And we can simplify this nth partial sum. 1/5 minus 1/5 cancel, 1/6 and 1/6 cancel, 1/7, 1/7 cancel, 1 over n positive. This, when we distribute this negative, this becomes negative 1 over n, cancel. So we are left with first two terms, 1/3 plus 1/4, and last two terms minus 1 over n plus 1, and this negative we need to distribute, negative 1 over n plus 2. Okay, in fact, if you look at the gap between these two terms, n and n plus 2, that's the gap of 2. So we always have 2 first terms positives and 2 last terms. Okay, now we take the limit of this nth partial sum when n goes to infinity. So when we take the limit, 1/3 is 1/3 plus 1/4 minus, when n goes to infinity, 1 over infinity, 0 minus 0. Now we add 1/3 plus 1/4, common denominator 3 and 4, 12. So we need to multiply first fraction by 4 over 4, second fraction by 3 over 3, so 4 plus 3, 7, 7, 12. That means this telescoping series converges to 7 over 12, or the sum of this series is 7 over 12. So the series converges to 7 over 12, or this is the sum of the series.